Hey Gemini, getting ready to do your general reading. It's going to be for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs in Gemini. Let's see what are the messages that come out for you. Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. The card at the bottom of the deck is Eight of Wands. I feel Gemini, you're going to be getting the communication you've been waiting for. I also feel that so you have the king and queen both, and both are sword energies, which are your energies, Gemini. And what I feel is you guys have waited a while for this confirmation or communication to come in. There was a time when you couldn't make a decision for yourself and you just wanted some kind of guidance or some kind of a sign, is what I'm getting, to move ahead and take a decision for yourself. Gemini, I feel the time has come, and so has this communication. Whatever indecisive energies you were going through in the recent past, those are leaving you, and you are finally moving on from uh, choppy waters, turmoils into calmer waters and peace. It could be a love situation. It could also be a work situation that you wanted relief from and you couldn't decide. I see. I'm also getting um, a possibility of you being indecisive between what to. So you being indecisive about what to choose between work and relationship. And now that you have made a decision, now that some of you have waited a while and seen if your partner is worth the attention, and you guys have made a decision basis that some of you feel that your partner may not be that worthy of your love, um, and so you have chosen work over your relationship, and some of you have done vice versa. You felt that work is all right, and if your partner leaves, that could be a greater loss than your job going or your work suffering or something like that. And you have made a decision. Some of you have chosen your partners, some of you have chosen your work. And you have come out of this double energy of, what to choose, what to leave, and being confused about your situations. Also, you have been in the hermit mode, like you've isolated yourself, you had isolated yourself. Some of you may have gone through a heartbreak of some sorts, and you just wanted some time alone. There could be a possibility that you are involved with an outside individual, a Virgo to be precise. You could also be involved with a Taurus or another air sign individual, Gemini, Aquarius, or Libra. Whatever you have chosen, the decision that you have made for yourself and for your loved ones is the correct one, Gemini. And in case you guys haven't made that decision yet, you will be doing that in the near future. I see you manifesting exactly what you want. I see your wish fulfillment happening. I also see that whatever was stagnated in the past finally starts moving and moving towards success, and it's just going to make you very happy, Gemini. Your decision is going to make you very happy, If some of you had sidelined your relationship for your work, when you go back to your partner, offering them a fresh start, it's going to be a good one. It will feel as if a whole new romantic cycle has begun. And if some of you have been working too much, you guys will be indulging in love, in some kind of union, because you've got the lover's card here. And I feel that it's going to be a breath of fresh air. You will feel very light, and whatever you choose is going to liberate you, guys. Um, don't doubt yourselves, because you are good enough. You are very good at whatever you've done. You'll be a great partner, Gemini. The energy is gaining momentum. Whatever was stagnated in the past finally gains momentum. Could be work, could be a new relationship, could be an old flame that will resume once you make a decision. You're very close to achieving your goal, could be work related or a partner related. Emotions are running high. Obviously, guys, they are running high because a personal issue reaches resolution. Obviously, you are feeling overwhelmed because your manifestations are right in front of your eyes. You have finally manifested what you wanted, and that has left you feeling overwhelmed, happy. And I don't know why I'm getting tears of joy. Um, for some of you, I hope it's for most of you, because it's a good feeling when you cry out of happiness, and not everybody gets to feel that. And Gemini, if you feel that right now, trust me, you are very fortunate and you are on the right track, guys. So do not ever question yourself or your dreams, because I think you worked very hard for it in the recent past, and you are finally manifesting the fruit of your hard labor. And you know exactly where you're going. You've taken that decision. You're working towards your dreams, and whatever communication you are waiting for is coming your way, and you don't need to feel sad about anything anymore, guys. Around the 16th or the 19th, even the 17th, I feel you'll get this communication, or you'll set the ball rolling for your dreams, in favor of your dreams, in the direction of your dreams. And Gemini, you're manifesting exactly what you want. The partner, the job, the life that you have manifested comes to you now. I hope it resonated with you, and thank you so much for watching, Gemini. Bye.